Wake up pretty early in the morning, come to school, clock in, get our materials, and start welding. Just trying to figure out how to do it better.
Welding is a skill, but what it takes to become a welder is a lot of tenacity. It's not something that you can just pick up. We want it to get to the point where it's just second nature.
I wanted to get into the trade because it was the closest thing to being a blacksmith, just creating something out of nothing.
There's no one in my family that really does welding, so I figured bring something new into the family.
Western Welding is definitely a great place to start off. They will give you everything you need to get into the field.
I can show one of the instructors my welds today, and then tomorrow he'll remember and see the advancement.
Students are super pumped when they walk in the door. They see their nice big tough system 2.0, jacked full of their tools, and they're just ecstatic and ready to go. You can see the drive in them. Dewalt is by far my favorite tool brand. It's what I recommend to everybody.
One Dewalt tool I can't live without is my grinder. It just always works, it's always there when you need it.
What I would tell a high schooler that's looking to get into the trades is find somebody that's in the trade. Ask them the ins and outs and the do's and the don'ts.
It's great work, and it's gonna put you in places that people will like to see.
Take that first step. Just try it. You got nothing to lose.